Here we have a package coming from Washington, and this is the 2018 Mac Mini. The fan connector ripped off, and I do not have the fan. So the first thing that we did is we ordered the customer another fan. This fan was about $58, and I was only able to find one person who had it. So this is the 2018 Mac Mini fan, and what we have to do is solder a new connector for the fan. It was ripped off the board. This is the Mac Mini right here. Let's take a look at the board to locate that ripped fan area. Right there, 246. The good thing is we do not have any ripped pads, so we're gonna go ahead and solder a new connector onto those pads. Connector will look something like this. For people who does this type of work, these connectors are also sold on our website. Let's use Amtech 559 Flux, and you can also purchase this from our site. Fume extractor. And we're going to use this tip here and apply flux. Okay, the job is done. All we have to do is give it to Big Boss to assemble. And this looks very good. Yeah, you should be able to pick up in about an hour. All right, see you, bye-bye. Okay, so Big Boss assembled the iMac, and I'm gonna do the honor of connecting this fan. Let's go ahead and do it now. Okay, the fan is connected, and let's power it on. Power cable in. Oh wait, I did not power it on yet. It powered by itself. I did not power it on. Fan is on, but it's on full speed. That's not normal. Okay, let me unplug. I mean, the fan is working now. The connector is soldered on properly. Something else is causing the fan to spin high. I mean, the computer is turning by itself. I'm not pushing the power button. Yeah, something else is going on with this machine. Let's go ahead and test the continuity between the connector pins down to the pads. So we're gonna do good. That's good. Yeah, so the connector is making a good connection with the board, but something is causing the fan to spin high. Let's take a look around and see. Maybe the customer knocked off a component, Let me take a look under the thermal cam. Okay, so what's going on here? Oh, look at this. What's this heat spot up here? What's this heat spot up here? Something is going on right over here. Let's go under the microscope. Oh, something else is going on here. The heat spot is pointing to this IC. And why is there flux here? We did not touch this area at all. Why is there flux here? Look at this, there's more flux here. Heat is pointing to this IC here. I do not know what this chip is. V6. It could be some type of diode. V6. Diodes on the iPad are labeled as V3. I do not know what V6 is. But heat is coming from this area. And the chip looks brown. Look at this. When I put alcohol, chip looks brown. It looks blown. And is that a hole? The black one? Right there. This one here. Customer mailed this over so we can fix the fan connector and replace the fan, and that's what we did. There's something else going on with this. We're gonna have to let the customer know. I'm gonna put this on the side for now, and it's time to go home. I'll let the customer know what's going on, and we'll take it from there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.